Welcome everyone back to another day. Today is Thursday, believe it or not, day 4 of our quarantine, I guess. It's not really quarantine, but social distancing, I guess. This is day 4. Welcome everyone to another class here in Breaking Through channel. I hope that you guys have been okay in this all this craziness that's been going on. Yesterday I went to the to the supermarket and I wanted to cough, and like I was so scared because I didn't want to cough because then people were gonna be like, you know. So I might do like a meme on that. That's funny. That's really funny. Also, last night I started a new show. Okay, it's here. I uploaded it here. Check out my channel if you haven't. My name is Alex. If you guys have just joining me now, I teach math, and this channel is really about motivation and inspiration and things like that. That's what I love doing. But I'm also a math teacher, so I'm doing this math lesson for my students also for this week. That's how we're communicating. But welcome everyone here back to the class. I see that my students have been starting to jump in. Nicole, what's up? Utah, what's out there? Hope you having fun out there. Um, it's good. I've gotten more subs now in my YouTube channel. You know, I haven't checked the sub, but you're right. I need 1,000 subs. If you haven't liked and subscribed, please like and subscribe this channel because I need 1,000 in order to have all the functions and have better quality in my camera here, so I can use my phone. Which actually I forgot to use my phone. I didn't get it. But thank you guys. Did you guys like the show last night? If you haven't watched it after this transmission, guys, can you go watch the video and leave a thumbs up on it and just put a comment also? Because when you put comments and thumbs up, it lets other people know to watch it. So please go watch it, guys. But welcome, guys, to all my students. Thank you for 625. Nice. I had 550 before, so the last time I knew, so 550. Mia, what's up? How you doing? Thank you, buddy. Happy anniversary. Yeah, to me. Yes, it was my anniversary yesterday with my wife. Quick story. This is actually in the show. But I lived in New York, and me and my wife, we got married here in Coral Springs in Florida. Years later, we moved here to Florida. So it's crazy how that works out, right? Crazy. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Madison, what's up? How you doing? The other Madison, what's up? Also, both Madison, V and C. Madison V, I just sent you an email because I was this morning I've been getting through all my emails and I finally got through all of them. Okay, which actually, by the way, this is high school math. If you're listening well, not Aiden, but if you're in high school, if I have you geometry period 1, geometry period 2, I updated your grades, and pretty much those are your grades right now. I updated everything is updated. Okay. So check your power schools. The only grade that's missing that I haven't put in is Edgenuity because I'm giving you to today. I said till Thursday I would give you. So that's the only grade. But other than that, everything should be in. So you guys gotta jump on it, check your grades, and if it has a 0, that means it's because you got to get it done. But truthfully, the deadline was yesterday for everything else. Only Edgenuity was for today. But anyway, guys, thanks. The Envisions, everything was due. Today, this week's okay. So let me clarify something, okay? This week, I gave you like one assignment. It was just one assignment, and also these videos. They're for this week. It was optional, just for you guys to come in and jump on and watch, and we could talk together. You guys could talk to each other. We're doing a lesson. Just keep consistent. It was optional for this week. Next week, I decided that I'm not going to be doing a YouTube live. I will not be doing YouTube live next week. All right. It's our spring break, so I will not be doing a YouTube live next week. But I'm gonna be doing the shows. The shows. Keep watching, keep coming back. I'm gonna do the show every day for 30 days. For the next 30 days, it's gonna be a show for the next 30 days. If you guys have any ideas for the show, please let me know because now I committed myself to 30 days. My 30-day challenge. So it's gonna be hard. Keep coming back for the show, right? So when we come back from spring break, I might do these lives again. I want to do the YouTube lives, but the other thing that I'm going to start doing also, and the principal just pushed it out, but I was looking at it already, is something called Zoom. And if you look at the agenda today, we're actually going to do that today. Okay, some Zoom. Have guests on your show. That's a great thing. Truthfully, I can have some of you guys. I would actually like that. That would be guests on my shows. Yeah, cool. I would love that. TikTok dances. Maybe that's. I don't know if I want to do TikTok on YouTube. All right, but you know, I mean, I love TikTok. You guys know that. But at the same time, it's like a platform is a platform, and if you take TikTok to YouTube, I don't know. But actually, no, because a lot of people have a lot of views on YouTube because of TikTok. Yeah, you might be onto something, Nicole. All right, so we're gonna jump into the lesson, all right? Because we don't have a lot actually. It's not really a new lesson today. It's just review. We're gonna do quizzes. If you don't know what quizzes is, I'll let you know in a minute. And Nicole, I don't know if you've done quizzes before. And then we're gonna do this new thing called Zoom. Okay, you guys are gonna be my guinea pigs. I'm gonna try it out with you guys for the first time. All right. So all right, let's get started here. Yesterday, I left you. We were doing the formula for volume of a sphere. Okay, volume of a sphere. So, and I left you guys with this problem. I don't know. Can you guys see this problem really well or not? I know it's a little bit. I saw the rebroadcast, and the rebroadcast was the quality was really bad. I mean, I was like, how are these people even watching this? So I hope you could see it. Okay. All right. So basically, what it is, I'm going to redraw it a little bit. You can see it today. All right. Awesome. I'm going to redraw it a little bit. Okay. It's going to be kind of like a rectangle, kind of like this. Okay. Don't make fun of my drawing, please. Okay. And then it's here this way. It's the whole thing is 1.2, and then the whole thing here is 4 meters. The whole thing. Okay. Yeah, it's a gas tank, and actually, that's why this is important, because tankers and things like that, they want to know how much they can fit inside. So even though I've never. I mean, you know how the students always ask, "When am I going to do this in real life?" All right, I've never done this in my life. I've never had, but people do this. If truckers and stuff like that, they need to know how much volume fits in something. So it is useful, okay? In humanity, in society, it is useful, right? All right. So here's the deal. Let's start with the cylinder. I feel like the cylinder might be the easiest part. Okay. There's two things. There's a cylinder and there's a sphere. So we're gonna start with the cylinder. Now, in order to find the cylinder, that's this part. That's not 4. The whole thing is 4. So here's what we have to do. We got to do 4 minus 1.2. And then minus 1.2 again, because remember, this is the sphere, and sorry, not 1.2. Sorry, so no. First, we got to do 1.2 divided by 2, and that would be the radius of this. Because this is diameter. So first, we got to find this 1.2 divided by 1.2, which would be 0.6. 0.6 should be the answer. So 0.6 is this part. That's 0.6. Okay. So you know what? Let me use another marker here. This is like getting really messed up here. So these markers, they're so new that I can't even open it up. So this right here, this radius is 0.6. Okay, and this radius is also 0.6. Okay, so what you do is you're gonna do 4 minus 0.6 and minus 0.6 on both sides. All right. So I'm gonna grab my phone here. All right, I'm back. Sorry, I forgot my phone. Dylan, you were right. I didn't even realize that. You were right. It's gonna be minus 1.2 anyway because there's 2 of them. Dylan, you're awesome. You get an emoji. That is true. All right, so let's do that. So 4 minus 1.2. Dylan, you're awesome. All right, so that's the height of the cylinder, okay? But now remember, now we have to get the formula of a cylinder. I'm gonna erase this picture here because I'm running out of space. So I'm gonna say pi r squared h is the formula. Pi r squared h is the formula, and the radius is 0.6 squared pi, and the height was, what was the height again? I forgot. I did it and I forgot it now. Oh, 2.8. 2.8. So here's the math that I have to do. I have to do 0.6 squared and then times 2.8. Okay. So I'm gonna grab my calculator. I gotta go fix my phone today. 0.6 times 0.6 equals 0.36 times 2.8 equals, did I do that right? Let me do it again. 0.6 times 0.6 equals times 2.8 equals, good. And now times 3.14. And this is my answer for the cylinder, okay? So I'm gonna round it off. I'm gonna say 3.17, okay? 3.17 is what I'm gonna round off to, okay? 3.17. Okay, so 3.17 is that's for the cylinder, okay? But now we gotta do the sphere. So the sphere, if you remember, is 4/3 pi r cubed. That's the sphere. So the radius again is 0.6. That's what we need. So we're gonna do 4/3 pi 0.6 cubed. Okay, that's the formula we're gonna get for the sphere, and it's the whole sphere, like Dylan said. So we're not gonna really divide by 2 or anything. We're just gonna keep that. So we're gonna grab our handy dandy calculator once more. Don't do my password here. So we're gonna do 0.6 times 0.6 times 0.6. That's to the 3rd power. Then we do times 3.14. Then we're gonna do times 4 divided by 3. Okay. So times 4 divided by 3. And that is my answer for the sphere. So 0.9 meters, I'm going to say 0.9 meters. So 0.9. So now we add both of these guys together. So 0.9 plus 3.17. Boom! Eli, you were right from the beginning. We're a little bit off just because of the pi thing and how we estimated. I think you probably used all the digits of pi. After you multiplied, I estimated. So I think maybe your answer is a little bit closer. But 4.07, that's acceptable. You have, actually, if you round off yours too, is 4.07 as well. So we're good. And that will be meters cubed, by the way. Yes, you just didn't round, but yeah, we have the same thing. So we're good. That's the problem for today. That's the review. I have one more problem for you guys for sphere. I really haven't seen a lot of these questions on the EOC, but who cares, because you're not taking the geometry EOC. Any thumbs up for that? Thumbs up? Nobody? Only me? All right. All right, anyway, I'm gonna give you one more problem here. This is an easy problem. It's a sphere again, but I only want a section of it. I don't know if you can see the color really well, but there's a yellow part, and then this is the purple part. So I'm gonna say we just want to find the purple part. Like, how much is that? Like a slice, like a piece of a orange, right? How much volume is that? So it's just the same formula, right? All we're gonna do at the end is divide by 4. Oh. What is that? I forgot. How does that go? I still can't do it. I can't do that. I don't know what I'm doing. All right. We're gonna do this problem really quick. Is that actually not that bad? Actually, you try it. Try it first. I give you like a minute to try this. Well, there's 4 pieces, right? So you're just gonna cut it in 4 because there's this section, this section, this section, this section. And since we only want to find the purple part, we're just gonna divide by 4. The radius is 2, Mia. Yes, radius is 2. You guys like the cups? I have a bunch of these cups, by the way. Give you a second to do that. Did you guys see the TikTok yesterday that with the whoa that I did with the whoa? I don't know. I thought it was kind of funny. That was kind of funny. Actually, I did it live with you guys. Remember, I had the phone here and I did it with you guys, and then I edited it together with the other one. That's cool. All right, so we're gonna put this formula. I think I got something wrong. All right, well, let's try it together, right? Let's see what we have. So first we start with the formula. Remember, I always see students and they sit there and they're like, I don't know what to do. Start with the formula, just start with that. And I mean, if you don't know the formula, that's an issue, but start with the formula. So 4/3 pi r cubed, okay? So we start with the formula. And 4/3 stays 4/3, pi stays pi, 2 cubed. 2 cubed is 8. I just know that, right? That's the formula for a sphere. This is the formula you have to know, this one right here. You just have to know. It's a vocabulary, right? You just have to know that that's the formula for a sphere. So this is 8. So we're going to do 8 times pi times 4/3. But at the end, remember that at the end we're gonna divide by 4. Okay, at the end. Okay. Yeah, Nicole. So basically, I mean, this is kind of new for these guys. Also, you just have to, memorize. We just memorize the formulas. What I was gonna do is I was gonna make copies for my class. I was gonna make photocopies of all the formulas and put it in one sheet, like a little cheat sheet. But we're not in school anymore. So, you know what I heard? I heard this yesterday. That I heard a teacher. It was elementary school. Elementary schools the teacher only has like 25 students, but the teacher went to every house. Because, by the way, if you're my students, I have your address. Like, I have your parents' phone number, address, and everything. I don't know if you knew that, but I mean, I'm not gonna go to your house. I ain't got time for that. But this teacher, she went to all her kids' houses. And just to say hi, how you doing, and give them a little packet, a little like a care gift. That's pretty cool. Maddie, that's a great. Yeah, I should just put it on. I should just put it on Edmodo. You're right. Yeah, you're right. I'm gonna put the cheat sheet on Edmodo. I don't know what I'm thinking. Sorry, I forgot. I'm in the 21st century. Sorry. He can stalk you if he wants to. Yeah, if you see the guy with binoculars there. That's creeper. All right. What are we doing? Oh, we didn't do this yet. I was gonna erase this, but we need to do the math. Okay. So going back to the original question, Nicole. Yes, these guys. We're just doing the formulas, and they just have to memorize it. Really. Okay. All right. So we're gonna do 8 times 3.14 times 4 divided by 3. Now, this right here is the volume for the whole thing, okay? This is what I just did, this right here, okay? That's the volume for the whole thing. However, remember, I only want a section of it. So I'm gonna do divided by 4. So the answer is 8.37, and I see a couple of people had it correct already. 8.37 is the answer because you have to divide by 4, correct? Because it's 4 sections. But before you divided by 4, you have to go through this piece first, okay? That's how you would have to do. Cool. So there's your answer again, and that would be I didn't give you units. By the way, if they don't give you units, if they don't ever give you units, so like for example, if here I didn't give you units, I'm gonna write it down because this is important. You're gonna write the words units. So the answer is 8.37 units cubed. See, this is what I mean. If they don't give you units, like I didn't give you inches, feet, I didn't tell you what it was. So therefore, what you should write is put units cubed. Whatever the units are, that's what it is. We don't know what it is. Let me see the formula. The formula is 4/3 pi r cubed. That's the formula for the sphere, okay? Specifically for sphere. All right, we are going to move on. There are other shapes. There are other shapes. Maybe tomorrow I'll do like harder ones. Today I wanted to try out two things. Okay, I wanted to 4/3 pi r cubed. Yes, that's exactly what it is. Pi r cubed. I wanted to try out two things. Okay, first quizzes, which if you're in my class, you've done it before. Okay. But if you're not in my class, it'll be the first time, Nicole. Maybe the first time you use it is pretty cool. Now, Kahoot is awesome, it's good, I like it. But last time you guys couldn't see it. So this time we're gonna do quizzes, okay? No, not Quizlet, quizzes with the IZ. I'll tell you exactly how it is. So, wait. I'm gonna change the page here. I'm trying to get it big for you guys to see. I don't know if you can see. No, you can't see it. All right, I'm gonna have to write it down because you can't see it. I'll just write it down here. Just go to the internet and go to it's quizzes, okay? Oh, sorry, no, sorry, it's quiz. It's like that. Sorry. Yes, like that. That's how it is. So here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna go to the web to open up another page and type that in, and it's gonna come up to like this. Like it's gonna look like quizzes. It's gonna look different because I have a profile. You don't need a profile, by the way. You don't need a profile. You just need a code, which I'm about to give you right now. Okay. So I'm going to give you a code here. Play live. Host a game. Okay. So here's what you're gonna do. You're going to write. Once you go to that quizzes page, you're gonna say join a game, and the game pin is 778879. Okay. All right. That looks smaller than Kahoots. I don't know what that means. All right, I have two people in already. It's just different. It's just different. You know, Kahoot is more like a game. This is like a game, but it's more like I don't know. It's more you can and you can see I don't know. Today I'm kind of messed up. I'm stuttering over here. Let me get some coffee. It's too early for this. What I meant to say is you'll see in a minute how it is, okay? But this one is, you can see the questions on your screen and you don't have to see my screen. That's what I meant to say also. Sorry, Nicole, for all that confusion. You get to know me more, Nicole. I'm always like, I don't know. Who is James Charles? I don't know who James Charles is. But you know what? There's people who jump in here, so we don't even know who's watching because I invited a lot of people, other people from different places. So actually, you know what? I should do it. Instagram. I should invite Instagram. I'm gonna do it right now, actually. Instagram people. I didn't invite them. I'm gonna do it right now with you guys. All right. Is this a grade? No, this is not a grade. All right, we're here. Oh, double thing. Okay, this is for Instagram. Okay, my Instagram stories. Morning, guys. I hope you guys are having a great Thursday. I wanted to show you something great that I've been doing all week, and it's this YouTube Live, okay? So if you need some math help or you need know somebody that needs math help, I've been doing live videos on my YouTube channel. All right, that's the one. Give me a second. We'll do shout outs at the end, all right? Hold on a second. Ooh, that's a good video right there. All right, well, I'll do one more and then we'll start, okay? Because I think all of you guys are in already. Actually, I'll start because I don't need to wait for you. Yeah, we can start. All right, is everybody ready? Can we begin? Yes. All right, this one's easy, by the way. We're gonna do two. This one is easy. This one's the easy one. All right, ready, set, go. We're starting. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom. All right, so basically on your screen, you should have the questions. And then it shows me the leaderboard here, but you should be playing your thing there on your screen. All right. In the meantime, I'm gonna do another video. So I have my students log into YouTube, and we're playing a game. They're actually playing a live game with me, doing YouTube live. So, oh man, I gotta redo that because the room is all messy. All right, ready, set, go. So I have my students log in, and they're playing a game live with me right now. So if you have a student, or if you know somebody who's in high school and needs high school math or middle school math, have them check my channel out. It's in my profile. Check it out. We're live right now. Look. Oh, come on. Again, I missed it. I missed it again. All right, I can do it again. All right, ready, set, go. So I have my students log into YouTube, and look, they're playing a game with me right now, live. So check this out. If you need this kind of math, come to my YouTube live section because I'm playing a game, and check it out. Look, they're like playing live right now with me. So. Right now, live. So check this out. If you need this kind of math, come to my YouTube live section because I'm playing the game. Check it out. I'm playing live right now. How am I saying Share this with somebody. So if you know somebody who needs this that's in middle school or high school that need math, just have them come to my channel, send them this link, send them my profile, and have them sign up to my YouTube channel. It's free, and it'll be great just to pass the time and have some fun, guys. Or high school that they need math, just send them to my channel. Eli. Send them my profile and have them sign up to my YouTube channel. It's free. You know what? I might do one for my TikTok. What do you call it? Let me see how it is. I think it's actually my math TikTok. I have a math TikTok. Ooh, Eli, you finished. Ooh, we passed them. All right, we still have 11 players. Ooh, Madison jumping in front of Eli. Maddie, ooh, let's see what's happening now. Great Thursday. I wanted to show you something. How I say this like it. Alright, I'm gonna do it one more time. This will be maybe for my TikTok math, right? Welcome, guys. Not welcome. Just say. So this is what math teachers do when they're home. All right, they go on YouTube Live, and they do a class anyway. My students are here on YouTube Live. If you guys want to join me here, go to my link and you find my channel. All right, do the other side. We're playing a live game right now. You can come and have fun. So come on, don't be shy. Join us here on YouTube Live. If this is the first time in this channel, no, this is not the first time. This is if you're new around here, come on. If you're new around here, like this. If you're new around here, follow me if you need some high school math, middle school math, just any types of math, and I'll help you out, all right? Here, I need 1,000 followers. Help me get to 1,000 so I can go live here. In the meantime, join me on YouTube Live. All right. I forgot to use my power-ups. All right, let's see who's done. 9 out of 11 done, so we need 2 more people to be done. All right, this is the question that people have the most trouble with. Number 6, what is the value of this? So it's 1, 2, 3, right? Times 1, 2, 3 times 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. So it should be 3 times 3 times 3, which should be 27. Units cubed. So B, 27 units cubed should be the answer. All right. All right. Let's see if everybody finished up here. We got one more person waiting for one person. Waiting for one person. One person. Come on, one person. Who's that one person? Let's go. All right. Maddie, number 1. Maddie V. Number 2, bruh. I don't know who that is, but yeah. And then Madison Clark, 3. And that's the leaderboard right there, guys. Guys, you guys did a great job. That's awesome. You know what? I did have another game, but I really want to try this new thing, okay? And I only have 20 minutes with you guys, so I need to do this new thing, okay? So how about tomorrow we'll do another one. We'll do another one here, okay? We'll do another quizzes tomorrow, okay? Tomorrow will be the harder one. But here's what we need to do. We need to move on to the next thing, okay? Now, the next thing that we're doing is this new app, okay? It's called Zoom, okay? Zoom. Now, I was already looking into that, and then I told the principal, hey, look, this is a good app that we could use. Basically, it's like online, it's a platform where you can write on the screen and interact. So he's like, what? He's like, I was just looking into this, and we're gonna roll it out to the whole school. I was like, what? So guess what? Let's do Zoom, and you guys will be my guinea pigs for today. We're gonna try it out, see how it works. Okay, so I'm going to give you a code, not a code, a website. Okay, to join the Zoom. Okay. Now again, this is the first time that I do this, so it's brand new to me too. I don't really know everything about it, but you know, we're gonna figure it out right now. For your local number, join the meeting. Okay, I think it should be this code right here. So I'm gonna copy this here, and I need to give you the link. So I'm gonna put it here. No, you do not need the app. You do not need the app. All you need to do is, you see, Madison V, you were first, by the way. Once I do Zoom, I have to leave the live. Yes. So before you go, don't go, guys. That is the live. I mean, that's the Zoom. I'm about to shut this down, the YouTube live. So if you're watching the rebroadcast later, I am about to finish. So I'm gonna sign off and say bye, guys. We'll see you tomorrow for Friday. Okay. Friday is the last day I'm going to be doing a YouTube live math. Next week I will not be broadcasting again live, but please check out my other videos. Check out my show. It's called The Show, okay? And that's gonna be every day for 30 days. So check it out. Everybody else here, come on, if you could like, subscribe, pass on to people that you know, pass on to your friends and family members. I need 1,000 followers, okay? Please, I need 1,000 followers. May I have an online emoji? Oh, fine. Actually, Maddie, you know what? I'm gonna give you one of these. How about that? Is that better? Which one do you like, the black one or the white one? Which one would you want? No, you know what? If you don't ask, you never know. You might get something. You see, she asked, you might get something. So you gotta ask. If you don't ask, you might get a no. So you might as well ask. What was I saying? I lost track. Okay, so I'm about to sign off here. But everybody else, if you could go on to the, if you're watching this live, click on that link. And we're about to go to Zoom, okay? It's your camera will be used. You could use your camera, come on live, so we could see each other, right? So that's how that works. I'm going to go to the Zoom thing here. Back, I'm just looking at it. I haven't started it yet. I'm about to start that class, so I have to end this class. So I'm about to sign off. Thank you for everyone who's been following me. It's great work. Just having fun out here. Hope you guys are staying up. Keep your head up, and as always, keep breaking through.